Welcome. So time for another episode of Naruto, and this one is episode 24. Start your engines. The Chunin exam begins. So last week was Genin Takedown, all 9 rookies face off, where we met a whole bunch of new characters in some kind of hall where everyone was glaring at each other. And one of the characters we met was Kabuto. Kabuto. I don't know, it just feels like he's kind of important. So without further ado, let's just dive into the episode. Hey guys, so check out my Patreon, link down below with all my socials, so come say hi, don't forget like and subscribe. Yeah, sorry to keep you waiting. The music people or something. The proctor, the guy who's going to be running the exam, there's a few of those, instructors. The hidden sound village. They're being bullies. We flipped out. What is going on under those bandages, I'm just wondering. Well, that's good. Death will not be permitted. Any pig that disagrees, okay, will be disqualified immediately. Alright, so no fighting. That will lead to death. If you piss me off, you're disqualified. And it's going to be a written exam, right? Yeah, a written test. Yeah, god damn it. Where's the fighting? Paper. Paper test. Yeah. He wasn't expecting to be doing any writing. He's here to kick faces. He can't cheat. Would he cheat? He wouldn't cheat. Oh, Hinata, she seems nice. She's wearing her headband like a collar. Let's both do our best. Well, that's good for a ninja, though, right? Not being able to sense their presence. It's a bonus. No questions will be taken. First rule. Alright, so you start with 10 points. Point deduction system. Right. Maths. How it works. That's right. 0 points. Wait, in teams, the whole team is judged. It's a grading scale. Oh no. You could drag her down. Okay, so no cheating, 2 points deduction. That guy gave a sneaky look to the other guy. Awkward cheating. Oh right, that's those guys. The proctors. They're lined up around the kids watching. So they're there to catch the cheats. Right, I thought they were cheating. What? Oh no. Fuck. Oh no. No pressure. So if he gets 0, they all fail. He feels sick. Come on, Naruto. Think. Use your head. You know this stuff, right? You know it. I don't test well though either. I don't like the pressure. The fat really is on the fire now. Get at least 1 point. At least 1. Yes. You got the jitters the moment they said paper test. That's right, it's just another obstacle. Oh no. I wouldn't know this. 1, it's in Japanese. Oh, I hated maths and shit. I can count. I can do math, but I hated maths exams. It's stuff you'll never ever ever need in your life. Okay, that sounds very complicated. She can barely solve it. Hardly anyone except me. Go, Sakura. Oh no. Gloom. Is she going to help him cheat? They can't cheat. You'll get caught. A system inviting cheating. He's not that much of an idiot. Oh, sigh. Be very, very cautious and cheat without being found out. There's proctors all around the room. So the questions are impossible to answer. So they're trying to weed out the cheaters, get them out of the exam straight away. That's the whole point of this exam. Awkward cheating. Yeah, so don't do awkward cheating, do sneaky cheating. Right, so sneaky cheating is testing them to see how good they are at cheating. They've got to be sneaky ninjas, right? Awkward cheating. Don't get caught. Alright. Right, okay. But how are you going to cheat if nobody else knows the answers around you? Apart from Sakura. You have to cheat. Just be sneaky. You're allowed to cheat, Naruto. Oh no, he looks sick. Wait. Having the dog bark at you would be very obvious. That's awkward cheating. Wait, how does the dog know the answers? I mean, how's the dog communicating the answers? How's the dog communicating? God damn it. Oh, he was using the fly to spy him. Was a fly spy him? It just flew in a figure eight. Crikey. Somebody's... there's mirrors on the ceiling. Meanwhile, Naruto is straining his brain. Don't be awkward. Don't be awkward. She's going to show you the exam, you dimwit. Oh, man. Hinata seems like she's a sweet girl. I don't want you to leave at this stage. I want to get to know you. She's blushing. She got a crush. He's going to lose 2 points. Well, it's for every act, right? That dude just got busted. That was so close. Would have taken his nose off. Busted. 5 mistakes, 2 points. 2 points a mistake, 10 points gone. Oh, wow, they're out. 1 fails, you all leave. I'm pretty sure our guys aren't going to lose. So cheating's the whole point of the exam. But he's not going to cheat. No, you're being sweet. Oh, he was acting big. I'm extremely stupid. Sakura's gonna nail it. Yep, using their powers. I'll copy his movements. Oh, very cool. Nice. The width of your forehead. Mind transfer jutsu? Wait, what? Mind transfer? They just swap bodies? Oh, so she's in Sakura's head looking at the answers. Then go back and write them down. This is very clever, I do like it. I'm worried about Naruto. Is he going to prove himself to be, like, actually smart and get some answers right? Jesus. What the heck? An all-seeing eyeball. The third eye, okay. Wait, that's going to spread out over the entire room and he's going to be able to see all the papers? You got to get handcuffed to go to the bathroom? How are you... That's going to make it very difficult. Holy fuck, what the heck? What? He's just got to get one right. He just needs one right. One. Wait, what? How are we at the end? Oh my god. That's ridiculous. So like I was saying, a really good episode in regards to the fact that even though there wasn't a lot of action going on, the story was engaging and interesting, and seeing what the other characters were doing in regards to trying to cheat, using their powers, the whole realization that the test was about seeing who could cheat and not get caught, like no awkward cheating, but just being in Naruto's head while he's kind of struggling with it, spending time with Sakura while she's kind of realizing what's going on, and hoping that, you know, Naruto doesn't choke, Sasuke using his powers to kind of get some information and fill out the exam himself. But it was like a really tough rule. The three of them will fail if just one gets 0, so obviously the pressure is on for Naruto to perform. But I love that moment between him and Hinata as well, like just some character growth, just showing some relationships developing. It was sweet. So she was willing to help him out, risk her own career in ninjahood by potentially getting caught and failing the Chunin exam, because if you fail this, right, you can't move on to become a ninja, right? This is a massive gateway you've got to pass through as part of the training. So if you fail, that's it. Go pack shelves at the grocery store, I think. I don't know. But it's the pressure was definitely on, and like I said, it just went by so quick. That was really cool. Anyway, guys, if you like my reaction, then how about leaving a like or subscribing? And once again, my Patreon and socials are all linked down below, so click a link, come say hi. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.